To the final 2021 Atlantic hurricane season outlook. This is the August version. It is currently mid-August at the time of making this, and we are just going to take a final look and prediction for this storm season. Taking a look at the sea surface temperatures, this is just the current sea surface temperatures. These are the current areas. If it's yellow or any other color, it is currently favorable for tropical storm development or intensification. If it is orange, it is slightly above average and could indicate rapid intensification in those areas, and red would indicate a very favorable environment for storms. Expected common tracks for this year, you can see one takes it from the Caribbean over the Yucatan, one from the MDR straight into the southern Caribbean and into the Gulf, one forming just north of Puerto Rico and taking it just north of the Bahamas off the east coast, and one forming just by Cabo Verde and going north of that last track and just spinning out into the sea. None of these touch land, but because this is just a general track, there will likely be many more landfalls other than the ones that we've already experienced this year. Landfall risk areas, the darker the color, the worse that the storm potential is for that area. And as you can see, many areas on here have already been impacted, such as that one by Florida was hit by Hurricane Grace. That yellow one up by Massachusetts Long Island is likely going to be impacted very shortly by an upcoming storm Henry. We see that yellow area has already been impacted by Tropical Storm Danny. The two greens in the Caribbean were impacted by Elsa and Grace, as well as the green and the red in the Caribbean. The Yucatan was also impacted by Elsa, and there is an upcoming storm that could impact this area right here as well and could become Ida. Comparable seasons to this year so far are 2004, 2017, 2008, and 2013. Now, 2017, 2004, actually all of these seasons were very bad seasons, but you never want to see 2004 or 2017 in a comparable season because those 2 years were very bad in the Atlantic. Taking a look at the Enzo, or whether it will be a La Nina or El Nino, at the moment it is looking quite likely that we will see a La Nina, form into late August to mid-September, and which would lead to La Nina conditions for the latter portions of the hurricane season. Taking a look at my final predictions, 22 tropical storms, 8 of which have already occurred. 12 hurricanes, 3 of which have already occurred. 1 is still currently active. And 6 majors, 1 of which has already occurred, which was Major Hurricane Grace, that happened just yesterday, actually, or just last night, even. Thank you guys for watching this final Atlantic hurricane season outlook. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Atlantic updates.